Did you know that the humble cow could be contributing to the warming of our planet? It might sound surprising, but it's true. Cows, along with other livestock, release significant amounts of methane gas into the atmosphere primarily through their burps. This methane is a potent greenhouse gas, even more effective at trapping heat than carbon dioxide. While the image of cows peacefully grazing might evoke a sense of tranquility, their digestive process tells a different story. It's a natural process, but one that has significant implications for our climate. Understanding the connection between cow burps and global warming is crucial as we seek ways to mitigate climate change and create a more sustainable future. Cows belong to a group of animals called ruminants, which also includes sheep, goats, and buffalo. Ruminants have a unique digestive system with 4 stomach compartments. This specialized system allows them to digest tough plant material like grass, which humans cannot. Here's how it works. Cows swallow their food mostly unchewed. The food travels to the rumen, the largest stomach compartment, where it's fermented by billions of microbes. These microbes break down the tough plant fibers, but this process also produces methane as a byproduct. The methane is then released into the atmosphere, primarily through burping. Methane, while released in smaller quantities than carbon dioxide, is a much more potent greenhouse gas. Over a 20-year period, methane traps 84 times more heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. This means that even small amounts of methane can have a significant impact on global warming. The greenhouse effect is essential for life on Earth. It traps heat from the sun, keeping our planet warm enough to support life. However, human activities, like raising livestock, have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This increase is trapping more heat, leading to global warming and climate change. Section 4. The livestock factor, a significant source of methane emissions. The global livestock industry, with its billions of animals, is a major contributor to methane emissions. According to the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization, livestock farming is responsible for about 14.5% of all human-induced greenhouse gas emissions. Of this, methane emissions from enteric fermentation, the digestive process in ruminants, account for a significant portion. While livestock farming provides essential food and livelihoods for millions, its environmental impact is undeniable. The demand for meat and dairy products continues to grow, putting further pressure on the environment. It's clear that we need to find ways to make livestock farming more sustainable to reduce its impact on climate change.
Section 5. Beyond burps, the wider environmental impacts of livestock farming. Methane emissions are just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to the environmental impact of livestock farming. The industry also contributes to other environmental problems, including deforestation, water pollution, and biodiversity loss. Raising livestock requires vast amounts of land for grazing and growing feed crops. This often leads to deforestation. As forests are cleared to make way for pastures and farmland, deforestation not only destroys vital habitats but also releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, further exacerbating climate change. Section 6. Toward a sustainable future. Solutions for a cooler planet. Addressing the environmental impact of livestock farming requires a multifaceted approach. Scientists, farmers, and policymakers are exploring various solutions, including changes in animal diets, feed additives, and innovative technologies. One promising avenue is to develop feed additives that can reduce methane emissions from cows. Researchers are experimenting with additives like seaweed, which has been shown to significantly reduce methane production in cows. Other strategies involve developing vaccines that target the methane-producing microbes in the rumen.
By reducing methane emissions from livestock, we can mitigate their impact on climate change. As we move towards a more sustainable future, it's crucial to remember that our choices have the power to make a difference. By reducing our reliance on animal products and supporting sustainable farming practices, we can all play a role in creating a cooler, healthier planet for generations to come.